The fastest internet connection in the world is over 300,000 times faster than gigabit, which is already pretty freaking fast. Last year, Japanese engineers achieved a connection of 319 terabits per second over 1,800 miles. At that speed, you could download nearly 850 gigabyte Steam games every second. But even though this was done with existing fiber optic technology, you and I won't be seeing these speeds anytime soon. Most of the fastest home and office connections top out around 10 gigabits per second, although Google is actually working on what it calls Project Tara, which achieves 20 gigabit speeds wirelessly through invisible beams of light. And it works over distances of 20 kilometers. Tara is currently meant to serve less developed countries without lots of wired infrastructure so that more people can get on the grid and subsequently scream at each other on Twitter. It's the purpose of the internet.